with numerous garages being used for storage, as a playroom or home gym and so on. Having a garage door with a pedestrian access door built in is very convenient. Today we'll show you how to install a Wicket door. Cut aluminum profile as different lift type. Standard lift or vertical lift. Put the outer frame aluminum profile onto the door panel. Fixing it with rivets. Please make sure that the top and bottom dimensions of the profile are consistent. To fix the profile of the inner frame of the door in door, please determine the direction of opening the door, and place the profile in the correct position. Also make sure that the top and bottom dimensions of the profile are consistent. Put on the connecting rod. Fixed connectors. Fixed fasteners. Fix the back of the door panel with rivets. The following steps refer to the actions above. After assembly, confirm the opening direction and whether the operation is normal. If you have any questions, free field contact us.